pipe it up, pipe it up, pipe it up, pipe it up. I walk in the club just to pipe it up.
What's up, you guys? My name is Shayla. Now that's too formal. Yo, it's your girl Shayla. No, that's too much. Hi, you guys. My name is Shayla. Too dull and boring. Okay. Hi, you guys. My name is Shayla. No, dang. Sound like I'm dying. What's up, you guys? My name is Shayla. And I am new to this whole YouTube video making thing. So I ask that you bear with me, especially right now because my voice is like trying to leave my body. But go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you're gonna want to see this. Okay. That's too much. So since it's my first video, sorry my bra is showing. Since it's my first video, I wanted to do like my everyday makeup look for y'all. And sometime in the future, I'll probably do like a Q&A. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I didn't get to film it, but I used the shade Pukey from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and now I'm going over that with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Single Caramel. So now I'm taking this brown shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I can't remember the name right off the bat, but I will make sure to leave it in the description box. And I'm deepening my crease. Now I am taking the shade Abyss from that same palette to deepen the outer V of my eye. And yes, I does this every day. Moving on to the lid, I'm using this nice creamy neutral looking color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Yes, I forgot the name again. I promise to do better in the future. Okay, so now moving on to eyeliner. I'm using this eyeliner from Rimmel London. I'm pretty sure y'all know by this point in the video. I don't know the exact name, but I will make sure to leave it down in the description box. Okay, moving on to the face. I'm using this Mario Badescu spray to spray my face. I got this at Ulta for like $5. Moving on to foundation. I'm using this NARS foundation. You already know. I don't know the exact one. I just know it's from NARS and it's really good. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. Oh, come through coverage. Oh. Just keep blending, just keep blending, just keep blending, blending, blending. What do? We blend, blend. Just keep blending, just keep blending, just keep. Moving on to highlighting and concealing. I am using this concealer from Maybelline. And I'll probably never use it again. It was my first time using it. That's me trying to like dance out my frustration with this concealer. Okay, so maybe I put on too much and it's probably my fault. I might give it another go, but we'll see. You know what I'm saying? Okay, moving on to bone structure, contour. Just blend it out. Just blend it out. Just blend it out. Hey, just blend it out. Hey, just blend it out. Hey, just blend it out. What? Okay, so now I'm about to take this highlight and contour palette from Sephora, and I'm going to take the 3 bottom shades and give my face some more bone structure. And now I'm about to use my Airspun translucent powder to bake my face. Ooh, excuse me. Okay, so now we're just gonna dust off all that excess translucent powder so we don't walk out looking like Casper. Yes, dusty girl, and go. Yes, and go. Okay, moving on to the blush. I'm using this blush from Tarte, of course. I forgot the shade name, but it's okay because I'm gonna let y'all know I'm not gonna leave y'all hanging. I try to take advantage of this because I got it for free at Sephora. And now for highlighting, look at me shining like a brand new penny. A brand new penny. Oh my gosh. Okay. So for the more important fact, I don't have one of those expensive highlighters. I use really nice shimmery eyeshadows and I still be shining. You heard me. And now for my crusty lips. I'm using this lip pencil from NYX to line my lips, give it some dimension. And now I'm using this matte lipstick from NYX. I think it's their NYX lingerie line. It's a matte lipstick. That is today's look. I hope you guys somewhat enjoyed this video. And just make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Alright, bye.